Hello guys, I'm Prasad Solanki, your tutor of the English grammar. And first of all, I'm going to thank you for the first 100 subscriber. And I want to thank you for your all the opinions which you had given to us, and your contribution, participations, and your support. So because of that, we get a first 100 subscriber in just 10 videos and in a 1 month only. So I know and I think that you will support furthermore to us, and you are giving your support in future. So now we are going on our topic, which is a continuous past tense. And first of all, we are going for when it is used. So it is used to show the processes which are running in past. And now we are going for its example, so you can clearly understand, and its formula. Now, first one we are going for the formula. It is a general formula for the all continuous past tense sentences. So, and here we are going for the example. So, by taking both, you can clearly understand that. First of all, we are going for the positive sentence. So in the positive sentence, we can use the subject and then helping verb. Again, I am here taking the general formula, which is a subject plus helping verb plus object. This is the general formula of the any tenses for the positive sentences. And here, helping verb is was and verb, was and verb. Was is used for the singular pronouns and were is used for the plural pronoun. And now, according to general formula, we can say that here we will take was or were and then verb plus ing form and then object. Here also I had told you that in the all continuous tenses we are using the verb plus ing form in the all the continuous tenses. So here we have taken a verb ing form. Now we are going for the negative sentence, and also I had told you that in the negative sentence we have to just put a not after the helping verb, and here helping verb is was were. So we are putting a not after the was were, and the remaining part will be as it is verb plus ing and then object. Now we are going for the interrogative positive sentences. In the interrogative sentences, we get the answers in the yes or no, and here also the helping verb comes first, and the other person is as it is, like a was where comes first and the subject comes after that, or we can say we are replacing the subject and the helping verb here, and after that as it is verb plus ing, it is positive sentence, so we are not taking the not, and then object and question mark because it is interrogative question. Now for the negative ones, as I said, in the negative sentence we are using the not after the helping verb, so here we also take that first was were and then not. You have to remember this, not is in the negative sentence, not is always come after the helping verb. So was were plus not, then subject, then verb ing form of the verb, and then object. Now we are going for the WH questions. It is as simple as the interrogative positive, because there is no difference in the interrogative positive and the WH positive. So why this? Because we are using the WH, and then the remaining part will be same as the interrogative positive. So WH plus was were, was or were, then subject, then verb plus ing, and then object. Now we are going for the negative ones, which is as said earlier, not will come after the helping verb plus. So here we are using WH, then was were, then not will come after the helping verb. And here also we can see that the sentence is same as the interrogative negative, and only we have used the WH question. Then not plus subject plus verb plus ing, then object. Now we are taking its example according to the formula. Here I am going for the example of the positive sentence, and here I am taking the subject as a Rahul, and then was a where. So Rahul is a singular. Now we are taking a was after the Rahul because Rahul is a singular, and then verb ing form. So here we are taking a verb complete, and then ing, and then object is a verb. We are taking a verb as an object. So here the positive sentence is Rahul was completing. Sorry, here object we are taking his work. So according to the formula, we can say that Rahul is the subject, then was a verb. Here we have taken the was. Why? Because Rahul is a singular, and then verb ing. Here we have taken a verb as a complete, and then ing form completing, and his work is an object, and then negative. According to formula, first we will take a subject. Here subject is Rahul, and then was a verb. Then here we are taking was. Again it is negative, so we use not after the helping verb. Then as it is completing his work. Now we are going for the interrogative positive. As we have seen that in the formula we are interchanging the helping verb and the subject. So here Rahul is a subject. Sorry, here it is a positive sentence, so we are taking a positive. Here Rahul is a subject and was is the helping verb. So we are interchanging that. First we will take a helping verb, then a subject Rahul, was Rahul, and then as it is completing his work. So here you can also see that its answer will become in a yes or no. If he had completed his work, then we can say yes, and if he had not completed his work, then we can say that no. So interrogative questions answer always come in the yes or no. And now interrogative negative, it is as simple as interrogative positive. We will put just a not after the helping verb. Was not Rahul completing his work, and question mark is necessary. And now we are going for the WH positive. Here I am taking a WH for y, and then we are taking a was, because Rahul is a singular. Why was Rahul completing his work? We will take a lecture further for the WH questions. So in that I will explain when the use of all the WH questions, when it is used. And now we are going for the WH negative. Why? First in the formula is the WH question, that is why, and then was, then not, then as it is Rahul completing his work. So here we have understand the continuous past tense, and here our lecture is finished. And if you like our video, then like, share and subscribe our channel, and also share with your friends so they can also get the benefits. And thank you.